Frankie!
What up, everybody? Oh, please. Oh, thank you so much. That's too much applause. Oh, thanks. Wow. Well, I am truly grateful to be here, Oscar. Quite frankly, my heart and my stomach are still full from the last competition. Now, once a year, the who's who of Lake Erie gather here at Cedar Point to decide who will become the next Derby Dog Champion.
Now, the Derby Dog Champion is a prestigious title that can only be bestowed upon the worthiest of competitors. Our champion will have the honor of being the Derby Dog Ambassador for the country, as well as other duties as assigned.
Quite frankly, I'm exhausted.
And now the rules are simple. The first competitor to clear their plate will be crowned the Derby Dog Champion. Now, if you think you've got the fortitude, come see Frankie and myself.
Simply come pick up a ticket to see if you are a winner. Now, 8 lucky contestants will be chosen to compete, but only one can rise to the position of top dog.
Now, this competition is serious business and decorum is paramount. So once you get a winning ticket, come see our friend right over here in the blue shirt, Glizzy McGuire. Once you have a winning ticket, go see Glizzy McGuire.
All right, everybody, who is hungry? Who didn't eat dinner tonight? Who wants some hot dogs? Yeah, step right on up. Oh, come on, what else? Let's go over here. Come on, one of you guys. All right, here you go. Come on, any more takers? Let's go. Get on up here, pal. Yeah, let's go. Here you go. Zone?
Once you have that
What do you
winning
mean,
ticket,
zone?
come see Glizzy McGuire right over here.
Any other
got that
takers? Here we
winning
go.
ticket?
Anyone else? We
You
still
have
got
a
a bunch
winning
more
ticket?
tickets,
You have a
folks.
winning
One
ticket?
more? You want another one? There you go. Okay, all right.
You got a winning ticket, folks. Winning tickets.
Any other takers who want the chance of becoming the next Derby Dog Champion?
Winning tickets.
You want to take it? There you go. All right, anyone else? Anyone else at all? All right, there you go, miss. Here you go. Oh, I actually
Winning tickets.
Anyone else? We still got a bunch more tickets here. What's up? You already eaten ice cream. You got room for more? All right. Anyone else? Okay.
Just grab a waiver right here for us, please.
Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Sold to nobody because nobody wanted any more tickets. But that's okay because I think we're out of winning tickets.
Oh, wow. Well, folks, this is a tough competition. There's no ketchup, no mustard. It's just you and the dog. Now I gotta get you all revved up and ready to go. So when I say hot, you say dog. Hot.
Dog.
Hot.
Dog.
When I say mustard, you say ketchup. Mustard.
Ketchup.
Mustard.
Ketchup.
When I say Oscar, you say Frankie. Oscar.
Frankie.
Oscar.
Frankie.
Give yourselves a round of applause, folks. You guys got great energy.
Wow.
That's
Even in
1,
this
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It seems like we're gonna have all of our contestants.
Wow, that's wonderful. Okay, let me just fix these dogs.
The hot dogs will be slightly rain flavored dogs.
Good thing I love the smell of rain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, excellent. Cool. Your winner?
2.
Oh, excellent.
What comes after?
5. Glizzy has all the waivers been filled out already? When you passed out all 8 of them?
This is 3 hot dogs, right?
Yes, I
Okay.
think that's all.
I've been eating so many hot dogs.
This round.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sorry about that. All right, if you sign that waiver, come on over stage. Come on stage.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
This way, right all the way down to the please.
All right, pal, come on over here.
This way.
Hey, you got a dog on your shirt. How you doing? All right, this is gonna be your plate right here, buddy. This is gonna be your plate right here. What up, USA? This is gonna be yours. This will be your plate right here, buddy. All right. 1, 2, 3. Are we still? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Last time I checked, 7 doesn't equal 8.
No, wait.
Where's our last guy? Oh no, who knows?
Did you sign that waiver for us?
Oh, there we go.
Come on.
So, Scooby-Doo, what's your
Right
name?
here.
James from what? James Everett. Okay, great. Where are you from, James? New Rock, Ohio. Let's make some noise for James Everett from New Rock, Ohio.
Excellent. Well, hey, thank you, contestants. Frankie, as last year's champion, I mustard ask you a question. Any final words of advice?
Relish this opportunity. Get it? Because you put the relish on the hot dog. Because one day you're going to look back on all this, on these 3 hot dogs, James, and you're going to realize that this This was your peak in life. It's only downhill from here. Oh.
Wise words. Now, our winner will be the first contestant to clear their plate. Our victor will not only inherit the title of Derby Dog Champion, but they will also be whisked away, and our Derby Dog will be able to finish their first official duty as our new Derby Dog ambassador. Spreading the good news of Derby Dogs to the people of the Boardwalk.
Wow, and our winner, yeah, whatever. They'll get the privilege of being the official face of Derby Dogs for the entire year.
Hot diggity dog, what an honor. Now, without further ado, what you've all been waiting for, the main event, the biggest...
It was the biggest mistake of my life, James. Don't do it. Don't eat the hot dogs.
Frankie, as last year's champion, please lead us in the ceremonial swearing in of the contestants.
All rise, raise your Derby Dogs high. You can just pick up the plate. Yeah, there you go. Yep, yeah, you got it, buddy. And repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Oscar,
do dedicate my life.
Do dedicate my life.
To the virtues of the Derby Dog Order.
To the virtues of the Derby Dog Order.
Determination.
Determination.
Optimism.
Optimism.
And gluttony.
And gluttony.
So help me, dog.
So help me, dog.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, contestants, ready? Begin the showdown in 3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off.
For our contestants up here on stage here today.
We've got half a hot dog, almost over half a hot dog down already over here. Hot dog number 1 has entered the gullet.
Now, people can usually have a strategy with this kind of game, folks. People can eat the bread first or the meat, but it looks like we're all going traditional today. No stratagem needed. Make some noise for our contestants here on stage. Let's see, we got 2 dogs, 2 dogs, 2 dogs, 2 dogs.
Hot dog number 1 is fully gone in the white shirt over here.
Oh, wow.
He's yet to start on hot dog number 2. Hot dog number 2 is about to enter the mouth, and hot dog 2 is in the mouth, and he's chewing, he's chewing. We're still working on hot dog number 1 over here with James. You're breaking my heart. You can do this. I believe
Just keep chewing. Just keep chewing.
Just keep chewing, chewing, chewing.
What do? You chew. Glizzy, who do you think's gonna win today? White shirt. All right.
White shirt is making some really excellent progress over here. Wow.
We have 2 dogs, 2 dogs, 2 dogs. I know, folks, this is a tough competition with no water, no ketchup, no mustard, no nothing. It's just you and the dog.
3 hot dogs and a dream.
3 hot dogs and a dream indeed.
And a plate.
Come on, keep going, don't stop.
You got it, buddy. I believe. Just keep
You guys
chewing.
are doing great.
Do not forget to breathe. That's really important.
Yes, oxygen.
We are really relishing these hot dogs up here, folks.
White shirt is on his 3rd hot dog here today, folks. Make some noise, make some noise!
Oh, come on, you guys can do better than that. Make some noise for our Glizzy Gladiators!
All right, final dog. Final dog right there. There we go, folks, the final dog. That's the final dog. Don't worry about anybody else, you're doing great.
Whoa, 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 Nike red shirt over here. He's double fisting the, I don't know which hot dog he's on, but he looks like he might be giving white shirt a run for his money. I don't know.
As long as he keeps chewing, folks, as long as he keeps chewing.
Oh, USA.
Whoa, it's coming down to the wire here, Oscar.
Wow. Oh, wow. Whoa!
Whoa, whoa. Hot dog number 3 is fully in the mouth. There are no more hot dogs on his plate or in his mouth with white shirt over here.
Let me all hear you say, Derby Dog, Derby Dog, Derby Dog, Derby Dog, Derby Dog.
Oh, he's done. He's done. All hot dogs are gone.
There we have it, folks. Come this way.
Oh, incredible.
Grab a bottle of water and a button and follow me, sir, please.
The rest of our gladiators, thank you very much for your fight. Feel free to take those hot dogs with you and collect a pin with our pal Lizzie over here. Great job, buddy. You want to take that pin with you? There you go. Hey, don't forget your ticket, dude. Here we go. Yeah, you got it.
All right, that's it, folks. We have our new 2024 Top Dog, our new Derby Dog champion.
This is for you.
And then we have
Wow, you look great.
Make some noise for our new Derby Dog champion.
Good luck, buddy. I'm out of here.
Whoa! Frankie, please lead our new Derby Dog champion to the Derby Dog Mobile. We have duties to fulfill and hot dogs to share. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining us for the Derby Dog Showdown. Be sure to to see all the other live entertainment here at Boardwalk Nights.